Live from the lair, it is the roast of Camelot.
I'm glad you're all here so we could do the roast of Camelot.
What am I going to be doing this?
It's because you need to. For Camelot, I would say this. You're nothing but castle head. A castle head. Yeah, castle. I mean like that. By castle, I meant freaking castle. You look like King Arthur's castle. With a face on it.
Oh!
Yeah, and guess what? Go have a job at Mr. Meaty. Camelot, I hate to say. A cannon, that's for your nose. It looks like a snot. What do you sneeze out? A cannon. Ball.
Camelot, I would say, even though you have a big nose, you would be the one who looked like Pinocchio. Camelot?
Well, let's just say that. Why do you have an axe for a hand? Did you go to the Civil War or what?
Hey! Ugh. You would think I'm George Washington. Yeah, say it yourself, George Washington. You might say you stole this pig.
Hey, come on.
Hey. Ouch! Patrick, you could have that. Hey, that was my arm.
Fine, here you go.
Camelot.
What the hell is with those flags on your damn head?
Well, it's what I would say.
Well, I would say go somewhere where there
You
must...
suck balls!
If there was I know a castle. I know what people want. I know you should be in Long Live the Royals.
What?
Camelot, I'd say this. Your teeth doesn't even make you a castle at all. It makes you look like a big giant tank that would look like a castle.
Does anyone know what this dog is saying?
I do.
Well, you said that your feet smell like clam.
You smell. Your hands are a little crabby,
And you're nothing but a big giant pizza face.
Get out of my way, dummy!
Whoa.
Camelot, I just like to say that you're big stiff pizza. Nah.
I never. Ouch. May I say, Camelot, you wouldn't mind if we just get that flag off your head?
No, not my flag. Oh no, my flag.
I think I can wear this to carry on the episode.
No.
Yes.
Bro. See, Camelot, more like Bamelot. Bam.
Camelot, I would say, if you were that castle over there, there were some pigeons, they would totally take a big poop on you. That's what I'd say. Yeah. Look, for you some information, look, how does that cannon even protect you? You're more than nothing but a big fraidy cat.
Douchebag!
Wow, oof.
You know, I have a song for you. Douchebag, the night is a damn cannon for a no. A damn fucking axe and a fucking flag on his head. Dumbass, the castle. He's a dumbass fucking douche.
Ooh.
With goddamn teeth, and he makes him look like a fucking tank. Wait, did I get on here already?
Yes. Oh, wait.
I think I did. Did I?
Yes.
Yes.
Bowser, you're up. Here is the story about a well-sword coward.
Hold on, I got this. He said sorry. I'm a werewolf coward. Who's that dumb? Fucking dick.
My feelings.
Hurt your feelings. You don't even have any.
I haven't told my joke. Okay, Bowser. Okay, here's a legend about the story of Lame-a-Lot. Lame?
Instead, you have to be on the shelf again. I did not hurt your feelings, but you fucking suck.
You're all mean.
Batman, get out of this damn camera.
Okay, once I hate to say to you, I would say, how you look like a castle. You look like a very bad bat cave, or maybe Tony Stark's mansion when it goes wrong. See, I hate you all.
Alright, don't worry, Camelot, the show's over. Really?
Nope.
Then who's left? Oh.
Red, you're up. Look, Camelot, I have to say, and by castle you look like a king pig's castle. Yep, you're nothing but a king pig, king sized. They will make you very large and fat. It's true, 'cause he's stupid. Before I had to say this, if you were King Arthur, very sized, I would just tear you down with an axe, like this one.
No, no! No, I'm just kidding. It's check time! Oh.
Now, first of all, where'd you get this mustache from?
I don't have a mustache.
Well, it's true, 'cause look, it's true that you don't have any hair, do you?
Fuck you.
Whatever,
Alright.
reject.
Alright, guys. Tune in next week when we roast.
Broke it.
What?
That's
Dun,
right.
dun, 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 dun,
That's it.
dun,
I had enough.
dun.
I had enough. I'm going home.
See you all next week. Oh, actually, we are roasting someone who needs to deserve being roast. Robo Panda.
Uh-oh.
Fuck you, bitch.
Hey, Camelot, guess what? What?
Batman attack. Take this, you dumb bastard. Wait, where are you? Take this, you dumb bastard.
No!
Ah! Shiver attack.
No! No! Ah!
See you next week. Wow, 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 wow.
Loser. Did it.
That's all, fucks.
Do.